Good morning. Our lesson is all about dividing simple fraction, whole number by fraction, and vice versa. Learning task 1. Give the lowest term, then write the reciprocal of the following fractions. Number 1, 2/4. Ito, lowest term muna natin yung 2/4. Ano ang lowest term ng 2/4? Ang lowest term ng 2/4 ay 1/2. Kukunin natin yung reciprocal ng 1/2. Ang reciprocal ng 1/2 ay 2/1. Number 2, 6/8. Ang lowest term ng 6/8 ay 3/4. Ang reciprocal ng 3/4 ay 4/3. Number 3, 8/12. Ang lowest term ng 8/12 ay 2/3. Ang reciprocal ng 2/3 ay 3/2. Number 4, 12/32. Ang lowest term ng 12/32 ay 3/8. At ang reciprocal ng 3/8 ay 8/3. Ang lowest term ng 18/24 ay 3/4. At ang reciprocal ng 3/4 ay 4/3. Dividing fraction. So, paano tayo nagdi-divide ng fraction? When dividing a whole number by a fraction, you are finding how many groups of the fraction you can fit in the whole. So, pag nagdi-divide daw tayo ng whole number sa fraction, inaalam natin kung ilang fraction ang kasya doon sa isang whole number. Limbawa, 2 divided by 1/4. So, ang ibig sabihin nun, ilang 1/4 ang kasya sa 2 na whole number. So, kung makikita natin sa drawing, ito yung dalawang buo, yung 2 na whole number. Ang 1/4 na kasya sa dalawa ay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, 8. So, ibig sabihin, ang 2 divided by 1/4 ay 8. So, paano natin i-apply sa pagsosolve o yung may solution? So, ano yung step-by-step procedure sa pagdi-divide ng whole number sa fraction? So, syempre, yung una, yung 2, lalagyan natin ng denominator na 1. Then, divided by 1/4. Next, yung operation, gagawin nating multiplication. Then, kukunin natin yung reciprocal ng divisor. Pag sinabing divisor, yung pan-divide. So, ang divisor ay yung 1/4. Ano ang reciprocal ng 1/4? 4/1. Then, magmumultiply tayo. Denominator sa denominator, numerator sa numerator. 2 times 4, then 1 times 1. 8/1. Kasi 2 times 4, 8. 1 times 1, 1. So, improper yung 8/1. Automatic magiging whole number to kasi 8 divided by 1, 8 ang sagot. Kasi pagka improper, dinidivide natin yung numerator sa denominator. Eh, walang remainder, kaya whole number ang sagot. Kung may remainder yon, mixed fraction ang sagot. Paano naman tayo nagdi-divide ng mixed fraction sa fraction? Example, divide 10.5 by 3/4. So, syempre, yung unang step, yung mixed fraction na 10.5, gagawin nating improper fraction. So, ang improper fraction ng 10.5 ay 21/2. Kasi 10 times 2, 20 plus 1, 21. Then copy yung denominator which is 2. So 21 halves divided by 3/4. So katulad kanina, kailangan kunin natin yung reciprocal ng divisor. Pag sinabing divisor yung pan-divide, ang divisor natin ay 3/4. Ang reciprocal ng 3/4 ay 4/3. So ang kalamitang pagkakamali pag nagdi-divide ng fraction, nagmumultiply nang hindi kinukuha yung reciprocal. So kailangan kunin muna natin yung reciprocal bago tayo mag-multiply. So cancel 21, cancel 3, divided by 3. 21 divided by 3, 7. 3 divided by 3, 1. 7 times 4, 28. 2 times 1, 2. Improper fraction ang 21 halves. So kailangan i-divide natin ang numerator sa denominator. 28 divided by 2, 14. So, ang ating sagot ay whole number na 14. Kasi walang remainder. Pag dinivide mo yung 28 sa 2, eksakto, 14 na walang remainder. Kung may remainder, mixed fraction ang sagot. Eh, since na walang remainder, whole number na 14. So, ibig sabihin noon, kasya ang 14 na 3/4 sa 10 and 1/2. So, merong 14 na 3/4 sa 10 and 1/2. Okay, paano naman nagdi-divide ng fraction sa fraction? Example, divide 3/4 by 2/5. So, the same procedure. Lagi lang natin kukunin yung reciprocal ng divisors. Then, magmumultiply tayo. So, alin ba ang divisor? Yung pan-divide, yung 2/5. Ang divisor noon ay 5 halves. So, 3/4 times 5 halves. No, cancellation. 3 times 5, 15. 4 times 2, 8. So, ang 15/8 ay improper fraction. I-change natin sa mixed fraction. So, ibig sabihin nun, 15 divided by 8. So, ang final answer is 1 and 7/8. Learning task 2. Find the quotient. Reduce your answer to lowest term. Number 1, 5 divided by 1/2. Siyempre, yung una, yung 5, lalagyan natin ng denominator na 1. Magiging 5/1. Change the operation to multiplication. Find the reciprocal of 1/2, yung divisor. So, 5/1 times 2/1 is equal to 10/1. Kasi 5 times 2, 10. 1 times 1, 1. So, improper fraction yung 10/1. 10 divided by 1, 10. So, whole number ng sagot, 10. Number 2, 9 divided by 1/3. Lalagyan natin ng denominator na 1, yung 9. Magiging 9/1. Change the operation to multiplication. Find the reciprocal of 1/3. Ang reciprocal ng 1/3 ay 3/1. So, 9/1 times 3/1. 9 times 3, 27. 1 times 1, 1. 27/1, improper. 27 divided by 1. So, ang sagot natin ay whole number na 27. Number 3, 8 divided by 4/5. So, 8/1, yung 8 times 5/4. Kinuha natin yung reciprocal ng 4/5. So, cancel 8, cancel 4, divided by 4. 8 divided by 4, 2. 4 divided by 4, 1. So, magmumultiply na tayo. Numerator sa numerator, denominator sa denominator. 2 times 5, 10. 1 times 1, 1. 10/1, Simplify natin yung 10 over 1. Ang sagot ay 10. Learning task 3. Perform the indicated operation. Compare the quotient of each expression. Write greater than, less than, or equal. Number 1. 3/5 divided by 1/4. So, kunin ang reciprocal ng 1/4. Ang reciprocal noon ay 4 over 1. Then, change the operation to multiplication. 3/5 times 4, 1 is equal to 3 times 4, 12. 5 times 1, 5. So, ang 12/5 ay improper fraction. We must change to mixed fraction. So, sa mixed fraction, yun ay 2 and 2/5. Tignan naman natin yung expression sa right side. Yung 1 and 1/5 divided by 3/8. So, yung 1 and 1/5, kailangan i-change natin sa improper fraction. So, yun ay 6/5 sa improper fraction. Kunin ang reciprocal ng divisor, which is 3/8. Ang reciprocal noon ay 8/3. Then, magmumultiply na tayo. Cancel 6, cancel 3, divided by 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. 6 divided by 3, 2. 2 times 8, 16. 5 times 1, 5. So, 16/5. Yung 16/5 ay improper fraction. Pag kinange natin sa mixed fraction, yun ay 3 and 1/5. So, alin ang malaki? 2 and 2/5 or 3 and 1/5? So, sa whole number tayo titingin. Ang whole number nito ay 2, yun ay 3. So, mas malaki ang 3 and 1/5 sa 2 and 2/5. So, we can say that 2 and 2/5 is less than 3 and 1/5. So, kung saan naka-open yung symbol, yun ang mas malaki. So, dapat dun siya naka-open sa 3 and 1/5. Number 2, yung nasa left na expression, 8 and 5/7 divided by 1/2. 8 and 5/7 renamed to improper fraction is 61/7. Then, reciprocal ng 1/2 ay 2 over 1. Change the operation to multiplication. So, 61/7 times 2 over 1. 61 times 2, 122. 7 times 1, 7. So, ang 122, 7 ay improper fraction. Change to mixed fraction is 17 and 3/7. Tignan naman natin yung expression sa right side. 11 divided by 1/3. So, yung 11, lalagyan ng denominator na 1. Kunin ang reciprocal ng divisor, which is 1/3, 3 over 1. Then, change the operation to multiplication. 11 times 3, 33. 1 times 1, 1. So, 33 over 1. Improper yung 33 over 1. Kaya, 33 divided by 1 is 33. So, whole number ang sagot. So, ano malaki? 17 and 3/7 or 33? So, mas malaki na naman yung nasa right side, yung 33. So, ganyan dapat ang symbol. Doon nakaharap yung naka-open na symbol sa 33. So, we can say that 17 and 3/7 is less than 33. Number 3, 5 and 4/9 divided by 7/8. Rename to improper fraction, yung 5 and 4/9 is 49/9. Then, yung reciprocal ng 7/8 ay 8/7. Then, magmumultiply na tayo. Cancel 49, cancel 7, divided by 7. 49 divided by 7, 7. 7 divided by 7, 1. 7 times 8, 56. 9 times 1, 9. So, 56/9. Kaya lang yung 56/9 ay improper fraction. So, change sa mixed fraction, yun ay 6 and 2 2/9. Yan namang expression sa right side. 6 divided by 3/5. So, yung 6 lalagyan ng denominator na 1. Yung reciprocal ng 3/5 ay 5/3. Then, change the operation to multiplication. 6 over 1 times 5/3. Cancel 6, cancel 3, divided by 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. 6 divided by 3, 2. Then multiply the numerators and denominators. 2 times 5, 10. 1 times 1, 1. So, 10 over 1. Pag sinimplify mo yon, 10 na whole number ang sagot. So, ano malaki? 6 and 2, 9 or 10? Again, mas malaki yung expression na nasa right side, yung 10. So, 6 and 2, 9 is less than 10. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now and God bless po.